How to create a Gauth account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up or create a new account. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in this sign in page. So this is the page where you can sign in and create a new account. Here on the bottom, you can see two different options. Either you can create a new account using Facebook or Google. So it's better you use Google because all the data will be saved. So here I'm tapping on Google. Now select the account with which you want to log in. So here simply tap on one. Now it will take some time and automatically all the profile will be set up. All your name will be linked with the account, and later while using the Google account you can directly log in. Now as you can see, we have been logged in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.